Hey, Rudy.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
And if you're new, welcome. So from the title, you can see that we're doing a who's more likely to do such and such. Before we get any further into this video, please make sure to like, comment,
and subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, you ugly.
Yep.
There's about 41 questions. I want to say it's 41 questions. If y'all haven't found out, this is my fiance, Emmett,
Hey,
aka Dope Magik.
it's dope.
So he doesn't know any of the questions, which is amazing. He's going to have like a real reaction, and he's probably going to play me.
I'm doing a social media detox outside of YouTube. So, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna hold up some cards. Like, who's more likely to drop a baby off a balcony? And then we'll just hold up a card. All right, so let's jump into this video.
On my card, I got a Pokeball. I got a Dragon Ball. I got some video games.
Because he likes video games. Because he likes video games. I guess I'll show my poster board too. This is what I made. I did that last and I shouldn't have. Yeah. And then I made image card.
Yeah.
That's not him. I just wanted to draw somebody.
Alright, I'm gonna get a tattoo like that.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Who's most likely to forget their vows on your wedding day?
Oh, Rudy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. You said you're gonna write yours down. I'm gonna write mine down too.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to apologize after an argument?
Me.
No, it's not.
It is me.
No, it's not.
I be wanting you to shut up.
No, you don't.
So I be doing
No,
it.
you don't. You ain't apologize.
I'm sorry that you feel bad, Aaron. Now, can we continue on with
Yes.
the video?
Who's most likely to throw themselves off the balcony?
That's me for sure.
All around me are familiar faces.
You see what I just had to deal with just now?
Who's most likely to roll their eyes at the other one in a
I
relationship?
don't roll my eyes.
I roll my eyes. Who's most likely to clean the house?
You boy.
Can I see my card?
Wow.
Can I see my card?
Nah, I already know what you're trying to do.
It's me.
It's me.
No, it's not. Who's most likely to forget why they walked in a room?
Oh, Rudy tight.
Yeah, that's me.
That's me.
Who's most likely to say coming down clean every 5 seconds?
Coming down clean. Video with Rudy Tate. I'm up on the scene.
Coming down
Feeling so-
clean, I gotta pee. Coming down clean, I'm ready to eat. Coming down clean, I'm tired of yo ish. Coming down clean, my head hurt. Coming down clean, we about to get through these questions.
Coming down clean. Coming down clean. Coming down clean.
Who's most likely to be a better liar?
I lie that I love you every day.
Don't do that. Oh my. I'm not about to play with you.
I need to get a neck tat. Oh, look good.
I'm gonna get a neck tat then.
Alright, that's cool.
Who's most likely to be more emotional?
Rudy tight. Rudy on the track.
It's Rudy T on the track. Come join this pretty crew. I'm from H-Town, Texas. Baby, what it do?
Ha!
Who's most likely to eat expired food?
Rudy T on the track. Cause I said the day is gone is the day I'm gone. The day is gone, I'm done.
Who's most likely?
Ex milk sniffer over
Who's
here.
most?
Ex milk sniffer over
Hey,
here.
at least I smell it before I drink it,
Hey.
or eat it, or use it for cereal.
Hey, it's gone before the expiration date. If it's
I
not
use
gone-
almond milk, so he on his own for that
Yeah.
one. Who's most likely to be patient?
Me for sure.
Oh, that was wrong.
Me for sure.
Who's most likely to get arrested at Disney for punching a baby? A child, I'm sorry, but you know, he would probably punch a baby too.
Yeah, for sure.
He's
That's
too
me.
proud of this.
That's me.
He's too proud of this.
That's me.
Who's most likely to be noisy in a quiet place? And you know what? At first I was gonna say me, but when you get on the phone, you be screaming.
Rudy.
He be screaming, bro, like as if everybody is in the conversation with him. Don't nobody need to hear all that. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't.
You see how you louder than me right now? Look at you. Quiet room. What you do? Louden it up.
Do you love me? That's a bit. Who's most likely to embarrass the other person while drunk?
Rudy.
Guess what my card's about to be?
It should be you, because you be falling over the place.
Doom.
She's terrible drunk. And she be yelling, and she'll interrupt conversations while yelling.
Who's most likely to throw a fit during a game of Uno?
Rudy. Rudy for sure.
I get too competitive, and he wants me to play games and board games and card games, and I'm way too competitive for that, and I get upset real quick, which I don't like. Who's most likely to take long showers?
That's me for sure. You know, you gotta meditate. You gotta get everything.
30 to 50 minute showers, y'all.
Look, self-care.
After a while, I need to pee.
This is a channel for self-care. Taking long showers is a part of self-care. You meditate. You be at one with yourself. You gather yourself from the day. You know, you really just, you relax. You come down clean.
What he said. Who's most likely to plan a romantic evening?
That's me.
He does real good with them too. Who's most likely to get a speeding ticket?
That's Rudy for sure. She speed everywhere she go.
You trying to play me. That's what you trying to do. You trying to play me. You trying to hold me like I'm just some...
Hey, what your card say? Your card said Rudy too, didn't it? Yeah, you agreed with me. Yeah.
I feel so disrespected, bro. Who's most likely to dress better?
That's me. You feel me? Because once I drop my weight again, wait till y'all see the clothes that I ain't wore just because I ain't dropped the weight yet.
I'm gonna put up both because we both can dress. Who's most likely to be the worst driver?
That's for sure, Rudy.
He cannot see when he drives. At night.
You don't see no glasses on his 20/20 vision, babe. See how she capping?
Who's most likely to have a kid that looks like them?
Me for sure. My genes strong AF. Strong DAB. Strong DAB AF. You feel me?
Who's most likely to kick the bucket first?
Me for sure. I'm gonna die doing something gangster.
Who's most likely who's most likely to fart and lie about it?
Rudy for sure.
Yeah, you gonna write me out on these.
Hey, yup. I be thinking it's bear sometimes.
Who's most likely to randomly dance in public?
That might be me. I don't know. Depends on the situation. Depends on the fight.
It's me. Because you know when me and Wesley together, that's all we do.
Oh, yeah. Y'all lame.
Yeah. So it's us.
Yeah, you and Wesley. Both of y'all lame.
No, we not. Who's most likely to wake the other up in the morning?
I get up
Sometimes
for
you
work
wake me
early. I gotta work early in the morning, so yeah.
You be waking me up. Who's most likely to be lovey-dovey?
That's Rudy for sure. She asked me like 40 kisses, like before I even go to sleep. Like, I'd be like, all right, cool.
Now, mind you, he wants
to
to have his hands on me 24/7.
Hey.
Every time I want to beat him myself, no, let me touch you. He always slapping my butt. He always touching me. He's the one that's lovey-dovey.
Hey, you want your mama to know that? Hey, look.
We
I
married.
don't say I kissed this girl before I go to sleep. All of a sudden, I see her ass. Oh my god, damn. Chilling.
Who's more likely to say I love you first after an argument?
Rudy, for sure.
Yeah. Who's more likely to have embarrassing moments in public?
Rudy, for sure.
What's an embarrassing moment I've had in public?
Falling down in front of all my friends at the parking lot because he was drunk.
Oh, there was one time we went to Slitterbond. Yeah, my boob popped out. It was what was it? It was like a little,
board.
Yeah, it was boogie boarding?
Yeah, boogie
Yeah, it was that. And I jumped down and everything flopped out. Who's more likely to learn a new skill hobby during lockdown? I'll say the both of us.
Yeah, both of us.
Dang!
Yeah, man. Hey, look, I be forgetting that we can do both.
Dang, yes. I'll say the both of us.
Yeah, that's too much.
Who's most likely to fall asleep first?
Oh, that's me for sure.
You think so?
Yeah, I be falling asleep.
I think it's me.
I'll be falling asleep and then I'll wake up for a little bit and then I go back to sleep.
Okay, that's true. Yeah, he be falling asleep first.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to go streaking? Honestly, I don't see either one of us doing that.
Hey, look, depending on what money on the line, you put some money on the line, you gonna see some. You gonna see something.
Who's most likely to go travel to another country?
Me. I wanna travel everywhere. You feel me? I wanna go to Egypt. I wanna go to the UK. I wanna go to Africa.
Hold up. Okay, then I'm gonna put mine up
The
too.
whole continent.
Cause I wanna go to Egypt, bro. I wanna go to Egypt. Where else I wanna go?
I don't know, but didn't Raven say Egypt was a? Didn't she say Africa was a country?
I don't know what country in Africa I'm from.
I wanna go to Japan.
I wanna go to China. I wanna see the Great Wall.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to hold down the South?
The South gon' hold it down. The South gon' hold it down.
Hey, no, that's everybody. No, come on, put yours up too, cause you in the South, and the South gon' hold it down. 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 And the bar got the block rep like Louis Vuitton. The South gon' hold it down.
Who's most likely to burn food because they're on their phone?
Rudy.
No, it's not. Because this nigga here,
Really?
he'll be playing video games on his phone. He'll be on social media on his phone.
When I burn food.
Well, Wesley was the last one to burn some food.
I ain't burn no food.
So we're going to take that back.
Magnificent.
Yeah.
Hey, my food be coming out magnificent.
He got to pipe down. But his food is good. Who's most likely to lie about a big purchase?
Oh, me for sure. Because my purchases are bigger than your purchases.
No comment.
Nah, baby, I just spent $200. You look on the receipt, that shit say $2,600.
Oh my God.
Give me where money from.
Who's most likely to eat a meal without the other?
Me.
I'm gonna say why it's me. Because whenever I want to eat, and Emmett be like, "Nah, I don't want nothing." Then I want to take my food back because I don't want to eat without him.
So put that shit down.
Who's most likely to talk through a movie?
It depends on what day. But
You know, actually, I'm gonna put us both up
Yeah.
because there be stuff you be watching. I don't know what's going on. Then there be stuff that I be watching, but I'm gonna keep his card up mainly because I'll be watching something. I don't want to watch that, but what's going on? Who's that? Who just said that? What is this about?
Aaron will ask me the whole plot of the show to spoil. She be wanting me to spoil the show before we'll be on episode
No, I
3.
don't. You be trying to spoil things for me.
We'll be on episode 3. Is he gonna die? I don't want to tell you. Just watch the show.
Who's most likely to sleep through an alarm?
Shit. I don't know.
Nah, it's me, bro.
It depends.
It's me because I don't be hearing that shit. But then again, you don't be hearing yours too. I feel like I'm worse off though. Hold on. Who's most likely to buy the wrong thing while grocery shopping?
Me for sure. I ain't really trying to be in there that long. If it's whatever, hey, get whatever.
So he just picks it up, comes back home. I find out it's wrong, and then I tell him he gotta go back. Who's most likely to listen to this track?
Me. Because I listen to more songs with that intro.
Well, that's it.
Yeah.
That was really fast, so that's why I went ahead and read everything instead of just making it a 2-part video. That just makes it a lot more easier. Make sure to like, comment,
And subscribe.
because if you don't, what's gonna happen?
You are ugly. No, mama heaven.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave my fiance's information in the description below, and I might have it in the video somewhere too, maybe. I think at the end, because I think I can add your channel at the end too. Yeah? Yeah.
Should be able to.
What to say? Yeah, he has a gaming channel, so make sure to check him out. He's really funny, just like me. I love you.
Love you too.
Can I have a kiss?
Yeah.
A cheek kiss? Can I? Can I have a lip kiss? Can I have a forehead kiss?
See what I'm talking
Can I
about?
have a forehead kiss? Can I
So,
have a forehead kiss?
You've been
Can I have a
watching
forehead
Rudy
kiss?
Tate.
Can I have
and
a
then-
forehead kiss?
and
Can I
then-
have a forehead kiss? Amen.
And then you've been watching your favorite stepfather, Dope Magik.
Amen.
You've been watching your favorite stepfather, Dope Magik. And make sure to subscribe or you ugly, you and your mama trash too if you don't like it. And don't forget to check out my channel, Dope Magik. It's gonna be linked in the bottom of the
Hey, all right, you roll with
hey,
it, fam.
hey,
I'll see you guys in my next video.
It's dope.
Peace out.
It's all gonna hold it down. I got the block rap like Louis Vuitton, 6 fold on suicide doors, candy paint on choosing mode. Yes, I my whole block roll, 40 cars up in the door.